Hello, 안녕하세요. Welcome to this amazing platform. I am Mamata and I'll be your Korean trainer for today. In the last classes, we did Sugi or writing. Today we are going to do Marhagi, speaking. So let's start. Okay. Starting with Chagi Soge. Chagi Soge self-introduction. We have learned three things for self-introduction. 이름, 국적 and 직업. Three things. So let's start making sentences. 안녕하세요. 저는 something something이에요. Right? The same thing that we did for 쓰기. Let's try for writing. 저는 let's write 이름. Let's pick this person. 소니아. 저는 소니아예요. 소니아예요. 저는 소니아예요. 저는 학생이에요. 학생이에요. 나라, 어느 나라 사람? Which 나라? Let's say 미국. 저는 미국 사람이에요. I am from America. 만나서 반가워요. Nice to meet you. Now the same thing had it been for, let's say, it's like a speech you are giving. So in those cases, or you're introducing yourself to somebody for the first time, your superiors, your seniors, you use formal. 안녕하십니까? 저는 하루입니다. 저는 일본 사람입니다. 경찰입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Now when we are speaking, to repeat the word 저는 can be a little overwhelming. So once you've established your talking about yourself, you can eliminate the other 저는. Right? 안녕하십니까? 저는 모미타입니다. Then subtracting the 저는, I can go on to 인도 사람입니다. 선생님입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you. So what I'm doing is I'm eliminating 저는, useless 저는. I've established my subject and my topic. I don't need to continuously say it out loud. Right. Let's move on to the next one. 위치. Now we have a few things marked here. We need to tell the location of these things. 책, pen, computer, 가방, 하고, cup. Yes, these 5 things are given, circled. We need to talk about the places, which of these places. So let's start with this 책. So it's on the shelf. Now what do we call shelf? It's called 선반. It's a new word for us. 선반. So 책 is on top of the 선반. So I can say 책이 선반 위에 있어요. It's on the 선반. Let's move on to the next thing. pen. It's on the floor. So what do we call a floor? Floor is 바닥. Again a new word. So pen is on the 바닥. 펜이 바닥에 있어요. It's on the floor. 바닥에 있어요. So I don't need to specifically say that it's on top of the floor. It's a given that it's on the floor. It must be on the top of it. So I can eliminate the word 위에 있어요. 바닥 위에 있어요. On top of the floor. It's on the floor. 바닥에 있어요. Next thing we have computer. Computer is on the desk, on top of the desk. So I can say 컴퓨터가 책상 위에 있어요. On top of the desk. Right. 가방 is beside the desk. Right? So 가방이 책상 옆에 있어요. Beside the desk. And are subject markers. 이 and 가. Location marker. 있어요, 없어요. Right. And lastly, we have our cup. Here is our cup. It's kept on the book. On the books. I can say 컵이 책 위에 있어요. Cup is on the book. Now for all of these sentences, I could have gone with location, subject and ending 있어요, 없어요 also. Right? That is the beauty of the language that you can, shuffle the words in the sentence. Right. Next one. Now we'll talk about 생활, our daily life. So this person here probably works at a cafe or goes to the cafe. Let's see. Cafe. Gada goes to the cafe. 만나다 meets somebody. Let's say meets a friend, meets anybody. Then arbeiter 하다. Arbeiter 하다. So this person works here also. Arbeiter 하다. 마시다 drinks. What does this person drink? Ice Americano. Ice Americano this person has. So Korean people have a lot of ice Americano and they have a word for it also. It's called AA. AA. Ice Americano. AA. And for hot Americano, they have tua. Tua. Tu is coming from the word 뜨겁다. 뜨겁다. It means to be hot. So tua, and tua. So let's start. 카페 가다. 카페에 가요. Go to the cafe. Yes. 카페에 가요. Go to the cafe. Then 만나다. Meet somebody. Let's say a friend. 친구를 만나요. I meet my friend. 카페에서. Where do we meet? 카페에서 친구를 만나요. I meet friend at the cafe. Then I'm also doing Arbeit. Yes, I'm doing Arbeit. So I can say arbeiter을 해요. 하다 changes to 해요. So I'll simply change it to 해요. arbeiter을 해요. Right? 카페에서. At the cafe, arbeit도 해요. I do Arbeit also. Right? So 도 as we learned replaces 를 or nun, all my markers, I, ga, in this case it is, placed for 를. arbeiter을 해요. I do Arbeit. arbeit도 해요. I also do Arbeit. So 카페에서 arbeit도 해요. And it's also given that this person has ice Americano, 마시다. So ice Americano를 마셔요. I drink the ice Americano. So ice Americano를 마셔요. I drink it. 마시다, 마셔요. Okay, let's move forward. 장소. Let's listen to this. Let's read this conversation, right? Out loud. 어디에 가요? Where do you go? 뭐 해요? What do you do? It's a 회사, right? So 회사에 가요. 일해요 or 일을 해요. Go to the 회사 and work. I can also say 회사원이에요. This person is a 회사원. We can conclude from that. Right? Next one. 어제 어디에 갔어요? 뭐 했어요? Similar question. Just instead of present tense, I have past tense. 갔어요, 했어요. So this is a 학교, school. 학교에 갔어요. Went to the school. 공부했어요. 공부를 했어요. Or if you are a teacher, you can say 가르쳤어요. I taught. 학교에 갔어요. 가르쳤어요. I taught. Right. Next one. Shopping. Now we'll see about shopping. So this person is shopping. So they are buying various. You can buy various things when you're shopping, right? So here specifically we have 사과. 7 사과. Right? Here we have 사과. Then banana. 12 banana. Here we have banana. 12 bananas. And then lastly we have soju. Soju we can see here. Soju kept in the freezer. Soju, 3 soju. And then 1. Total is given. 32,101. Right? Let's see. Someone is asking, 뭐 드릴까요? Again, this should be in, because someone is asking, honorific. 드리다. 드리다, 드릴까요? 뭐 드릴까요? What all do we need? 7 사과? 사과 7개 하고 바나나. 바나나 how many? 12개? 12? 바나나 12개 하고 소주. 소주 3 소주? 세 병 for bottles. 소주 세 병 주세요. Please give me. So 7 apples, 사과 7개 하고 바나나 12개 하고 12 bananas. 소주 3병 주세요. Please give me 7 apples, 12 banana and 3 soju. Right? Then you will ask for the total amount also. Right? So I can say 모두, all of it. 얼마예요? How much is it? Right? 모두 얼마예요? How much is it? In all. So, how much is it? I can say 32,000. So, 32,100원. 3만 30,000 2,000 2,000 plus 100 100원이에요. 32,100원이에요. Right? That's the total. Now, there are various ways when you are dealing with a lot of quantities, various things to tell what all you want. So here, this person, 사과 7개 하고 바나나 12개 주세요. Finishing the sentence. 그리고 소주 3병 더 주세요. Also, and also give me 소주 3병. 모두 얼마예요? How much is the total? There are various ways you can say something, you can ask something. Always keep that in mind. Whatever feels easier to you, comfortable to you, use that. Right. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next one and we'll be continuing with 말하기. 안녕히 가세요.